अनुसार। PagriVitran समारोह was held in Bharat Jai Jawan Sangh in Joda Shiv Mandir of Shantinagar of Burnpur. Prachand, India made light combat helicopters inducted. DurgaPujaAward presented by Asansol Chamber of Commerce and Industries. This news is sponsored by TVS PSG. DurgaPujaAward was presented by Asansol Chamber of Commerce and Industries at Hotel Parvati at Ashram Mode. Chamber General Secretary Vinod Gupta, Director Sachin Roy, Ujjwal Roy, Manoj Shah, Sarwan Agrawal, Manoj Todi, Satpal Singh, Keer Pinky, Swapan Chaudhary, etc. were presented on the occasion. Hillview Puja Committee, Khudiram Park, Hillview North Durgotsav conducted by Mahila Barga Dwar Committee, Navjagrat Sangh Sripalli, Asansol. We are all Universal Puja Committee, Shantinagar Puja Committee, Shantinagar near Shantinagar School, Central Kalyanpur Women Puja Committee, Kalyanpur Housing Scheme 1 and 3rd, Kalyanpur Housing State. Beside this, several other Puja Committee of different budgets were awarded. Stay with us for more updates after a short break.
Step in rainbow dresses for all types of kids wear. Bastin Bazar Mode, GT Road, Asansol.
Rainbow Big Shop. All varieties of ladies wear, men's wear and suit pieces are also available. Bastin Bazar, GD Road, Asansol. Contact number 0341 222 1590. Rainbow Big Shop.
Ashtami, a man died of heart attack while shopping in the morning. This news is sponsored by Hillview Hospital, Asansol. This incident took place in Rupnarayanpur Vegetable Market today on October 3rd morning. According to local sources, the man who was wearing white pajama and grey full-sleeved shirt bought meat, potatoes, onion, etc. At this time, his body felt very bad and he collapsed in the market. Immediately, the people of the market took him to Pithakari Hospital. The hospital declared him dead, although the market traders have not found any identity of that person yet. Rupnarayanpur Police and Pithakari Hospital authorities are also trying to find out his identity. According to hospital sources, he was taken from the market to Pithakari Hospital around 10 am. If anyone knows the identity of that man after seeing the picture, they are requested to contact the police or the hospital. Stay with us for more updates after a short break.
लेडीज वेयर के एक्सक्लूसिव शोरूम
Styles, a house of fancy ladies wear.
महिलाओं का पसंदीदा शोरूम
Styles, a house of fancy ladies wear.
नए डिजाइन के कलेक्शन,
Latest stylish fancy dresses.
वो भी बाजार से वाजिब दरों पर।
है exclusive सूट पीस, लहंगा, ब्राइडल वेयर.
और रेडीमेड ड्रेसों का संभार,
सब एक से बढ़कर एक स्टाइल में.
तो फिर इस बार ईद में छा जाएं।
Styles के कलेक्शन अपनाएं.
Styles, a house of fancy ladies wear.
बस्तिन बाजार रोड, आसनसोल.
Call 760292.
PC officer of Andal, PS arrested 2 persons. This news is sponsored by Motion. PC officer of Andal PS arrested 2 persons along with their CV team. Bisal Bauri and Sunny Kumar of Kajora. During interrogation, he confessed his crime and he committed the crime under ADPC in various police station areas. He also admitted that he had committed another crime in Pandaveshwar area. An MC, an iron clip and rupees 5,000 were seized. He will be forwarded to LD ACJM DGP with remand prayer. Stay with us for more updates after a short break.
Admissions open now at St. Christopher Mission School, run by Anglo-Indian Society affiliated to CBSE Delhi. Special features are low affordable fee structure, smart class, well-trained teachers, indoor-outdoor games, transport facility, co-curricular activities, classes from nursery to 12. It's time for your child to explore the creativity. Thank you.
Dignitaries presented were Shri Harijit Singh, Secretary of Asansol Iron and Steel Workers Union, Bijay Singh, Paswan Gudia, MD Iqbal, a social worker, Babita Das, councillor of the area, member of the club, played lathis along with several items of akhada. Doman Yadav, Secretary of Sangh Raj Kumar Yadav, Assistant Secretary and other played a significant role in it. Stay with us for more updates after a short break.
Complete yourself with Salika,
Salika collection.
wholesaler and retailer of salwar suit pieces, lehenga, garara.
Contact Salika collection in Bastin Bazaar, Asansol 1.
Contact number 8509 608 588.
3 killed and 64 injured as fire breaks out in Durga Puja Pandal in UPS Bhadohi. 3 people were killed and 64 other injured after a fire broke out in a Durga Puja Pandal in Bhadohi, Uttar Pradesh due to overheating of a halogen light. Official says on October 3rd, a digital show was going on at the Pandal and 300-400 people were inside it. When the fire broke out on October 2nd night, the Pandal was reduced to ashes. They said a total of 67 people were injured in the fire and 3 of them, Ankush Soni, Jaya Devi and Naveen, died. 3 of the injured are stated to be serious. All the injured have been identified and the district administration and police have their list. People inside the Pandal were women and children. Superintendent of Police Anil Kumar said that an FIR has been lodged at Orai police station. The Durga Puja had been organized by Ekta Club Puja Samiti, the official said. Stay with us for more updates after a short break.
Rekha matching. Please step in for all kinds of colorful matching poplin rubia, fancy dupattas, other fancy dress materials. TP Market, Asansol. For more information, please contact 96356400.
The 5.8-ton twin-engine helicopter has already completed various weapons firing tests, the official said. Victims' families awaiting justice, says Rakesh Tiket. Farmers were staging a protest in Tikunia village on October 3rd last year against a visit of Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya when 4 of them were crushed under the wheels of a convoy of carts. In the subsequent violence, 4 others, including 2 BJP workers and a journalist, were killed. The families of the victims are yet to get justice, Mr. Tiket said. It was a week of peace. The violence that broke out claimed the lives of 8 people. It was unfortunate, Mr. Tiket said. Farmers of the country will never forget the incident. They will assemble across the nation to mark its first anniversary on October 3rd, Mr. Tiket added. The BKU leader blamed the state government for the delay in justice. The ruling dispensation neither believes in the legal system nor the constitution and misused its power, Mr. Tiket alleged. Asked about the future course of action, Mr. Tiket said people can only raise their voice and rest in up to the government. Stay with us for more updates after a short break.
बोल रही हूँ। मेरा नाम इशिता भट्टाचार्य है। ये शाइन एकेडमी हम लोगों ने 2017 में स्टार्ट किया है। ये एकेडमी है स्किल डेवलपमेंट कोर्सेज़ के लिए। जो स्किल डेवलपमेंट कोर्सेज़ करने के बाद बच्चे लोग अपने पैर पे खड़ा हो सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये सारे कोर्सेज़ जो हम लोग करवाते हैं वो सारे जॉब ओरिएंटेड कोर्सेज़ हैं। यहाँ पे हम लोग टैली, जीएसटी, डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, एडवांस एक्सेल, हार्डवेयर नेटवर्किंग, मोबाइल रिपेयरिंग, ब्यूटिशियन, बेकिंग का कोर्सेज, पाइथन, C++, जावा, पर्सनालिटी मैनेजमेंट एंड स्पोकन इंग्लिश, ये सारे कोर्सेज हम लोग अभी यहाँ पे रन करवा रहे हैं। अगर कोई ये कोर्सेज सीखना चाहते हैं तो नीचे आप लोगों के साथ नंबर जा रहा है, आप लोग इसको कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ये सेंटर हम लोग का SBI रोड में है।
Shashi Tharoor for public debate between Congress President poll candidates. Lok Sabha MP Shashi Tharoor on Sunday proposed to hold a public debate with his rival Mallikarjun Kharge in the run-up to the Congress president election, saying it would evoke people's interest in the party similar to the recent British Conservative Party leadership race. Kharge outright rejected the proposal, saying, "I don't want to get into that. I only know how to work. Give me an opportunities to do that." Tharoor also said the Nehru-Gandhi family has held and will always hold a special place in the heart of Congress party members. He said the answer to Congress' current challenges lies in a combination of effective leadership and organizational reformers. Kharge and Tharoor were left in the fray in the Congress presidential poll after former Jharkhand Minister K.N. Tripathi's nomination was rejected on Saturday. Mulayam Singh Yadav moved to ICU as health deteriorates. Mulayam Singh Yadav has been under treatment at Medanta Hospital since August 22. People familiar with the matter said on condition of anonymity he has been under treatment at Medanta Hospital. In a statement, the SP said that 82 years old leader's health condition was stable. Respected Netaji is admitted in the ICU of Medanta Hospital, Gurugram. His condition is stable. He is being treated under the supervision of senior doctors, the party said. SP chief and Mulayam's son Akhilesh Yadav on Sunday reached the Gurugram hospital where his father is admitted.
Share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563.
6 big changes in interest rate from credit debit card payments. New rules effective from October 1st. Credit card transaction. The government is making big changes in demat account, mutual fund and daily necessities. The new rules came into effect from 1st October 2022. Under this, changes are being made in credit debit card, Atal Pension Scheme, Demat account, saving scheme, mutual fund and commercial gas cylinder. The government has issued new guidelines for this. Commercial LPG cylinder prices have been reduced by rupees 25.5 while domestic LPG cylinders have not been changed. Debit credit card payment is going to change from today. Reserve Bank of India is going to implement card tokenization system to stop cyber cases. All payment companies will now start issuing token to customers instead of card, and token will be issued instead of cards. Taxpayers will no longer be able to join the Atal Pension Yojana. According to the Reserve Bank, in the new interest rate, you will get 5.8% interest on deposit in post office for 3 years. Along with this, the interest rate on deposit for 2 years has been increased from 5.5% to 5.7%. According to the new rules, now senior citizen will also get interest at the rate of 7.6% on fixed deposit. Biometric rules will be applicable for Demat account. This account will now have to complete two factors authentication. Individuals investing in mutual funds have to provide their details as well as nominee information. Thank you for watching our videos. If you liked it, like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon for the further notification.
Share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563